Finding tracking information on ProCart requires just a few simple steps. First, we'll log in using our username and password. Next, select your account from the drop-down menu and click Submit. This brings us to the home page, and you want to go into Purchase Orders. The 10 most recent transactions will show up on your main screen. If you want to expand the results, you can click View More, and you can see that the tracking information is listed on the right-hand side of the screen. These are hyperlinks to the appropriate shipping company website, in this instance UPS, where the hyperlink gives you instant visibility on the status of your package. Let's click one to find out. By clicking the hyperlink within our Purchase Orders tab, you can see that it has brought us to the appropriate shipping website where we can get instant visibility into the status of our package. Now we are back within our Purchase Orders tab, and if you were looking for a specific package from further back, you could set the range of dates using this function here and click the magnifying glass, and it will bring up all the POs that fell within that range of dates. If you want to search for a specific PO, you can simply type the PO into the field provided and click the search button. That will give you all the information, including the tracking information relative to the searched PO. As you can see, ProCart makes tracking your packages easy and convenient.